routine today I will perform CPR with AED and C-collar. So assume, wash my hands, sanitize, and wear my gloves. Then I saw one victim lying on the floor. Then conduct, check the carotid. 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. Negative pulse, negative breathing. The victim is suspected with spine injury. I will now put the C-collar. So paghawak dito ganyan and then spider. Okay. And bakit po C-collar na? Push, then attach. Then do the manual CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. Give 2 ventilation. Pinch, blow, release, then LLF. So, 5 cycle to ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Assuming the AEDs arrive, so follow the, open the AED and follow the instruction of the AED.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button.
So hindi yan child, so wala kayong ipupush na button.
From the patient's chest.
So remove yung foot down.
Packet and apply pad on the patient's bare skin.
Apply the pads.
Apply pad as
So ito, araw na kaganyan, so it means nasa taas yan ha.
remove packet and apply
Ito
pad
naman
on
sa
the
baba.
patient. Press pad firmly on skin.
Then,
Press pad firmly on
so make
skin.
sure, dapat maririnig nyo yung do not touch na
Do
sinasabi.
not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
So 3 times yan.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient.
Then sigaw.
Everyone clear.
Clear!
Press the flash
Then,
stop button.
ano ka
Shock delivered.
Bigyan mo kayo
Begin
yung
CPR.
So dito, hindi ka na magbibilang like nung ginawa ko kanina, si AED na yun.
10,
Dapat sasabayan mo lang yung tunog niya.
20, 30. Give 2 breaths.
Ayan, so 5 cycle din yan.
10, 20, 30. Give 2 breaths.
O, assuming ima na yan ha, and then after that, maririnig nyo dyan is stop the CPR yung sasabihin niya. So, long press nyo lang ito ng matagal. Yan, para mawala yung ilaw. It means patay na yan. Then remove yung naka-attach. Next, check the pulse. Pero syempre, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-check sa carotid kasi meron na siyang C-collar. So it means sa may radial pulse. Assuming may kamay siya dyan, so check the pulse at the radial pulse. Then do LLF and then count. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. Positive pulse, positive breathing, the victim is revived. Then now I'm gonna check the physical examination from head to toe. That is the no blood, no decomp PTLS. So sa head, no blood, no decomp PTLS. Shoulder, no blood, no decomp PTLS. Hips, no blood, no decomp PTLS. Legs, no blood, no decomp PTLS. Check CMS. So check the mouth or lips for any discoloration. Then try to make the range and then move the arms. Okay, then after that, check the vital signs. Okay, the vital signs is normal. Then, please bring the patient to the nearest hospital and then tell to the family or relatives. Then, remove my gloves, wash my hands, sanitize, and record everything on my hair and run. Ayan, so nyo na. And then, maraming mga tinatanong din dito sa CPR. Like yung mga sinabi ko kanina, ano daw yung TCAP PTLS. So, dapat memorize nyo yun. Deformity, contusion, abrasion, puncture, burn, tenderness, laceration, and sweating. So, tinatanong din yan when to stop the CPR naman. So, memorize nyo na lang din yung ano dyan. Or pwede nyo rin kung tagalogin yung stop ng meaning niya. So, S is spontaneous signs of life. Kapag meron na daw siyang pulse and breathing. Then, T, turn over to EMS. So, what is EMS? Emergency medical services like what? Ambulance. Okay, O, operator is exhausted. Kapag pagod na daw si patient, tigil mo na. So, baka instead na isa lang dapat yung i-revive dahil na bida-bida ka, o diba? Nag-ano ka din, so kasama ka na. Ayan, so kasama na dapat yung pagpagod ka na. And then, P, decision na yung responsibility, yun nga, kapag meron mas ahead, meron mas ahead sa atin, like tayo, caregiver, din nandiyan si doctor, so bigay natin yung katungkulan, okay? Or, pronouncement of death. Ayan. And then, S is safe, become unsafe. Yan. Kapag hindi naligtas yung lugar, so huwag kayo magkakandak ng CCR. Kapag mamaya nasusunog na, nag-CCR ka. Binabahaan na. Ano pa? What is BSIT? Body Substance Isolation Precaution. Or ano nga yan? Ano yan? Kapag yung yan yung barrier natin. Kumbaga, what is PPE? Personal Ayan. So, parang yung BSIT, parang PPE lang din ha. So, it means yun yung suot ko na. Like may gowns, ano pa? Ano yung PPE natin? Gloves, mask, open cup, shoe covering. Ayan. So, yun yung mga PPE or BSIT na binabanggit dyan. Ano pa? Kadalasang tanong, what is DNR naman? Not? O, anong ibig sabihin nun? Yan. So, tama. No? Kapag may nakita kayong DNR dyan, it means huwag nyo na dapat na i-revive yung patient kasi pwede kayong masukan.